today is April the 11th, 2008, and today's Friday, the end of the week, and we have entered into a iron condor position for the SPY for the spiders. So here, the price right now is about $134. So we just entered in the position for May. Okay, we don't know exactly where the price is going to be, but we feel strongly that the price is going to be between here 145 and between 125. So that gives us about 10 points for the SPY to move within the next 20 trading days, and as long as it stays within that range, we're going to be making a profit of minimum 10%. And the further out in time it stays in this range of where we entered into it here at about 134, the more profit we make. So profit could be as much as 20% even. So if not, we will generate at least a 10% profit on this trade. If in the next couple weeks it's below about 140 or above about 128. So this is a great trade. We entered into the spread. We got our order was filled for a credit of 49 cents. So we received 49 cents on this trade, and the reason why we entered today was because we got a better premium on it. The volatility came up a little bit today. This is a chart of the VIX. Okay, and as you can see, the VIX has been trending down generally this past month. We haven't had a nice, huge down day for about 3 weeks now, and so the VIX does seem that it is biased towards this neutral range to slightly down. See, in the past, it was always bouncing off of the 200-day moving average. See, back here, last October, it bounced off, comes up again, and these spikes indicate, huge down days. And here again, so we got 1, 2, 3 hits off the 200. Another spike up, which wasn't as high as the previous spike, and then down here where it's been settling on the 200, and it hasn't spiked up. And in fact, see, back here we never got more than a couple of closes below this 200-day moving average. But here we've had over a week of closes on the 200, below the 200, and hasn't really spiked up. So it could be an indication that the markets are wanting to push higher. Okay, and the VIX is showing that. So, and it's been a long time since we've had closes below the 200 for any length of time. So anyway, on this SPY, we just got filled that 49-cent credit, and we are pretty happy about that. Okay, I entered into that just about well, less than an hour ago, and I made that call because I just like the credit and I like the chart. So there's just a real battle going on here between the bulls and the bears. Okay, can we push above this 138 level on the S&P? We don't really know. So anyway, it's fun to watch, but I feel that we're we're going to be pretty much range bound within this next month, and that'll give us a good profit on this iron condor. So again, we entered into that today, April 10th, on a well, I'll tell you what we legged into. Okay, we bought the 146 calls and we sold the 144 calls. We sold the 126 puts and we bought the 124 puts. Okay, so that gives us a pretty decent range to work with over the next month, and looking for a great profit on that. We'll keep you guys posted when we take profits or if we need to exit out. And check out the website www.pandastockpicks.com, and we're excited about our new iron condor strategy that is now open to the public. So thanks.